It looks like we have a leak.
It's wet under the sink. It looks like we have a leak.
Do you think we can fix it ourselves?
Not sure. I turned the water supply off and had a look, but I couldn't see anything.
I don't know where the leak is coming from.
Maybe we need to replace the drain pipe.
I think we had better call a professional plumber.
Dialogue 1. There's water on the floor. We might have a pipe problem.
Can we handle this on our own?
I'm not sure. I shut off the main valve and checked, but couldn't spot the issue.
I can't figure out where the water's coming from.
We might need to swap out the waste pipe.
I think we should get a pro in here to take a look.
Dialogue 2. The area under the sink is soaked. Looks like we've sprung a leak.
Do you reckon we can sort it out ourselves?
Hard to say. I cut the water and had a peek, but nothing stood out.
I'm stumped about where it's leaking from.
Perhaps the drainage pipe needs replacing.
Maybe it's time to ring up an expert plumber.
Dialogue 3. There's moisture down below. We've got a water escape somewhere.
Think we can tackle this DIY style?
Not certain. I stopped the water flow and investigated, but couldn't pinpoint anything.
The source of the leak is a mystery to me.
We might have to change the sink pipe.
I reckon we should bring in a skilled plumber for this one.
Dialogue 4. The cabinet under the sink is damp. We've got a water problem.
Reckon we can fix it without calling someone?
Can't say for sure. I turned the stopcock off and had a look, but couldn't see anything obvious.
I'm at a loss as to where the water's escaping from.
Maybe the waste pipe needs to be swapped out.
I think we'd better get a professional in to sort this out.